In this video we will talk about the unconventional advertising. Unconventional advertising uses creative, unexpected methods in public spaces and social media to attract attention, surpassing traditional channels to create buzz and word of mouth. Let's talk about the different types of unconventional advertising. 1. Guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing uses low-cost, unconventional tactics like street art and flash mobs to create memorable public experiences. 2. Ambient advertising. Ambient advertising utilizes everyday environments to place ads in unexpected locations, such as sidewalks, elevators, and restroom mirrors. 3. Experiential marketing. Experiential marketing provides engaging brand interactions via events, pop-up shops, and product demos, outperforming traditional advertising. Now let's talk about the effectiveness of unconventional advertising. Novelty and attention grabbing. Unconventional advertising's effectiveness stems from its ability to capture attention through novel and unexpected approaches. Memorability and brand recall. Unconventional advertising stands out for its creativity and uniqueness, creating memorable designs and engaging experiences that leave a lasting impression. Targeted and engaging. Unconventional advertising can be tailored to specific target audiences, ensuring the message resonates with them. Cost effectiveness and ROI. Unconventional advertising can offer a high return on investment, ROI, due to its cost effectiveness. Ability to cut through ad avoidance. Unconventional advertising engages consumers by promoting interaction and sharing unique experiences, effectively bypassing ad blockers and avoidance. Examples of unconventional advertising: Red Bull Stratos Jump, IKEA's sleepover event, Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign, Spotify's Year in Music campaign. Unconventional advertising stands out in a saturated market by creating memorable experiences and emotional connections, leading to greater brand loyalty and customer engagement. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notification